Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hi guys, so today we'll see how to apply lifecycle policy in S3. So let me create a bucket. Name of the bucket should be unique globally. Oh, see, the bucket name has already been taken. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give it a new name, DW new lifecycle. Okay, so now a bucket has been created. We'll go inside the bucket. We'll upload a file. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna apply the lifecycle policy. For that, you go to management, add lifecycle rule, apply to all the objects because you want to apply the rule to all the files in the S3 bucket. Give it some name, and next, and now here we'll add the transition. You can have two options, to add the transition and also to delete your file after a certain amount of time. Okay, so let me first show you how to add transition. I'm gonna do for both versions, and what I'm telling my lifecycle rule to move all the files in this S3 bucket to standard infrequent access after 30 days automatically. And I want to add another transition that after 2 months, that is after 60 days, I want to move all these files to Glacier. And what is Glacier? Glacier is an archiving tool in S3 where your data gets logged up in a Glacier vault for around 3 to 5 years, and you cannot take your file out of that vault in that amount of time. I'm gonna do the same for my previous version. Move standard infrequent access, and I wanna send it to deep archive. Deep archive is same, but like the year is 3 to 5 years. Next, I'm gonna tell my S3 lifecycle rule to when to delete the files in my S3 bucket. You can also set that, sorry. So after 425 days, all my objects in S3 bucket will be marked expired, and being marked expired, S3 will automatically delete it after a certain amount of time. Okay, and you won't be charged for the file that has been marked expired. So after 425 days, I want my file to expired, and after 500 days to delete it permanently. So there's another option to clean up incomplete multi-part uploads. What is multi-part upload? Suppose you have a very big file, like terabyte of file, so you can't upload it in a one go, so you divide it in certain parts. Like suppose I have a TB of file and I'll divide it in 10 parts, so I'll try to upload that 10 parts into a S3 bucket. So somehow, due to lack of connectivity or whatever be the issue, I'm able to upload my 8 parts out of the 10 part file, but the remaining 2 parts are not able to upload. Okay, so what I'm telling my S3 lifecycle rule is to delete the incomplete multi-part uploads after 7 days of upload. Okay, suppose it will check for all the files that has not been completed, and it will delete it. Next, acknowledge it and save. So that is how you'll create your lifecycle rule. That's all from this lecture. Thank you so much.